Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is Sinigang Trout, Sinigang Isda. It's a lovely fish soup. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my sinigang isda: trout, ginger, onion, bell pepper, chili pepper, okra, pineapple juice, fish sauce, pineapple, spinach, tomato, water, and sinigang sa Sampalok mix. Now let's start cooking. Now the water is boiling. Add ginger, add onion, add tomato, add chili, add pineapple and pineapple juice. And then cover and simmer on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, add the okra, the trout, let them swim there. Your fish sauce, and sinigang sa Sampalok mix. Give it a good stir. Stir up. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes on a medium heat. And guys, after 5 minutes, add the bell pepper and give it a stir. Mix everything up. Perfect. Then cover and simmer for another 5 minutes. Now let's taste it. Now after 5 minutes, add the spinach, folic acid in that guys. Just cover and simmer for a minute. After a minute, that's it, done guys. Take off the heat and serve and enjoy while it's hot. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.